everybody there. How are you all doing? Hope good and fine. Today we have taken the topic called statistics, which is one of the very important topic of the mathematics. See, after watching this video, you feel that statistics is very simple and easy for you. Let us begin now. What is statistics? Very simple. Okay, statistics is nothing but the analyzing collection of numerical data in large quantities. Statistics is mainly depend on the mean, mode, and median. So here I'm just going to tell you what is mean first. Mean is the average value of any given data. So here I'm just going to tell you, okay, how we can solve the mean. The mean can be solved by using three methods, and these three methods I'm going to discuss here. So mean can be solved by using three methods. Mean can be solved by using three methods. And I'm going to discuss the three methods with you now. The first method is called as the direct method. This is the direct method to find the mean. Direct method. Okay, see here. Okay, we have a very simple formula for the direct method, which you people already learned in your earlier classes too. The very simple. The formula is sigma. This is called sigma. Okay, it is also known as summation. So, okay, whenever we have to add the values, we use this symbol known as what? Sigma. So I'm just going to write sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So this is the formula that we are going to use for the direct method. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. And the next method is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Let's take the formula for this method here. Simple. It's going to be a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. And the third method to find the mean is called as step deviation method, or simply deviation method. Step deviation method. And the formula for this method is very simple. It's going to be a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So these are the three methods. By using these three methods, we can find the mean of the given question here. Now we are going to solve one question. I have taken one question. Okay, this question I'm going to solve with the three methods of the mean. See, the question is very simple. A survey was conducted by the group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the data about the number of plants in 20 houses. So find the mean plant per house. So in this question, we have to find the mean. So already have taken the number of plants and number of houses. Now I'm just going to solve this question by using the direct method first. And the same question I'm going to solve with the assumed mean method as well as the step deviation method. Remember, note this point. Okay, we'll get the same answer for the three methods, whether it's going to be the direct method or assumed mean method or step deviation method. So the first, I'm just going to use the direct method to solve this question here. What is given? Number of plants. It's 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. And number of houses. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, and 3. Okay, so here we have to find the mean by using the direct method. See here, this first column is called as class interval. So I'm just going to write here CI. CI does mean that, okay, this is the class interval. As we can see that there's an interval between the numbers. So the first column is called as class interval. The second column, okay, the very next column of the class interval is the frequency. Now I'm just going to solve the mean by using the direct method. So what happened exactly in direct methods? In direct method, so the third column will be xi. So I'm just going to write xi here. See here how we can find the value of xi. It's very simple and easy. So in the class interval, we got the two values here. It is okay, one is lower class limit, second is the upper class limit. So we have to add these two values and divide by 2. So I'm just going to solve. Okay, I'm just going to add this 2. 0 plus 2. Okay, here let's see here. Okay, what I'm just going to do, I'm going to make the fourth column that is going to be fi xi. Okay, so here I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to add this both. 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2 by 2. We know it's going to be 2. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. So our first x is what? 1. Now let's see here. Okay, there's we can see there's interval of 2 to a number. So I'm just going to add 2 here. So okay, 1 plus 2 will be 3. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Then 7, 9, 11, and 13. Very simple. Now our next task is to find the fourth column. What is that? That is fi xi. It means that okay, we have to multiply this 2 column. This is a fi column and it is a xi column. I'm just going to multiply here. Okay, 1 is 1. It's 2 3 is 6. It's 1 5 is 5. 5 7s are 35. Now it's going to be okay, very simple and easy for us. 54. Then it's 22. Then last one is 39. See here now. Okay, I'm just going to add this number of houses. This is our sigma fi. Okay, it is already mentioned the question that okay, the houses are 20. So if you add this number, it's going to be 20. So okay, now if you add, if you just add this here, sigma fi xi. Okay, if you add, okay, you're going to get 162. See here, okay, as I told you, okay, this is going to be the direct method for us. So I'm just see here now. I'm just going to write the formula for the direct mean method. Direct mean method. Okay, a couple of minutes ago I discussed the formula with you. The formula is very simple and easy. There is going to be the formula is the sigma fi xi by sigma fi. See here from the table we'll get the value for the sigma fi xi, that is 162, and for the sigma fi we are just going to get 20. So I'm just going to substitute here. In place of sigma fi xi, I'm just going to write 162 by sigma fi is going to be 20. Okay, if we divide, it's going to be, it's okay, 2 10s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are. If you for the divide, we are just going to get here 8.1. So here we can see that okay, the mean per plant is 8.1 with the direct method. The same question I'm going to solve with the assume mean method and the step deviation method. The same question now we are just going to solve by using the assume mean method. The same question I'm taking here. So there's the first column, that is class interval, and the very next column is frequency, and the third column will be our xi. Okay, just now we found the xi, so I'm just going to write the values same. Here is going to be 1, it's 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. See here, okay, I will write the formula for the assume mean method, so it will be very easy to understand this question. Okay, I'm just going to write the formula in order to make the understanding very easy. Assume mean method. See, the formula is very simple. That is A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Here in the formula, we want the value of A and we want the value of di. And A and di is absent in the table till now. So now we are just going to find the value of A as well as a di. So first we know, now we are just going to find the value of A. To find the value of A, just take a look in the column of the frequency. That is okay, 1 2 1 5 6 2 3. Here we have to check the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 6. And instead of the highest frequency in the column of xi, we can see there's a number called 9. So our 9 is A. So A is going to be the 9 here. Now we have to find the di. To find the di, we are having a small formula, that is xi minus A. Okay, what is xi? Xi is the values of xi are available here. And what is A? A is 9. So our first xi value is 1. So 1 minus 9 is equals to minus 8. Now it's 3. 3 minus 9 is equals to minus 6. 5 minus 9 is equals to minus 4. Now 7 minus 9 is equals to minus 2. Now the 9. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Now 11. 11 minus 9 is going to be 2. Now 13. minus 9 is going to be 4. So our DI column is ready. See, our DI column is ready. Okay, according to our formula, we want A plus sigma Fi di. Now our next task is to find the value of Fi and di. So here I'm just going to write Fi and di. This is the last column. Now for this column, okay, we can get the mean value by using the assume mean method. Fi di, it means multiply Fi with di. What is Fi? 1. 1 into 8 is going to be 8 with minus sign. Here 2 into 6 is 12. Minus 12 is minus 4. Now, okay, 5 2s are 10. 6 zeros are 0. It's 2 2s are 4. Is 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. See here. Okay, now what I can see here. Okay, I can see that, okay, it's minus 12 plus 12 both are same, so I cancel them. So it's plus 4 and minus 4 same, so I'm just canceling them. See here, we want the sigma Fi di. I'm just going to add this value. Sigma Fi di. So already we cancel the 12, 4 and 12. So what is remain? The remaining value is minus 8 and minus 10. So minus 2 minus is going to be plus. So 10 plus 8 is going to be 18. So we are going to get minus 18. And see here, sigma Fi di is minus 18. So A is already 9. And sigma Fi. Sigma Fi we can get from the Fi column. There is sigma Fi. We know it's 20 because the number of houses are 20 they visited. So I'm just going to okay, substitute these values into the formula. A, what is A? A is 9 plus sigma Fi di. What is sigma Fi di? It's minus 18 by sigma Fi is 20. It's simple here, very simple. So 9 same as 9. It's plus into minus is going to be minus. If you divide here with the table of 2, it's going to be 10 and it's going to be 9. So it's 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So it's 9 minus. Okay, 9 by 10. If you divide this both, okay, we are just going to get here 0.9. So 9 minus 0.9 is equals to 8.1. See, again, we got the same answer. It's 8.1. Okay, with the second method, assuming method. So, okay, what exactly I told you earlier? I told you that, okay, whatever the formula you take, you're going to get the same answer for the same question. Now, the same question, now we're just going to solve with the help of the third method, that is step deviation method. See, I've taken the same question here. Same number of plants and number of houses. The first column is what? Class interval, that is Ci. And this is going to be frequency. So the third column is Xi. Okay, we already knew the values of Xi, so I'm just going to write the same. It's 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So I'm just going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to write the formula here of the step deviation method. So, okay, it will help us to, okay, solve the question very simply. Step deviation method. The formula is A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. It means we want the value of A here, then ui and h. These three are very important for us because F is already available with us. Okay, we know how to find the A. Okay, we have to check the frequency. The highest number in the frequency, the highest frequency is 6. So our A is what? A is 9. Just now we found A is 9. So now, okay, what exactly I'm just going to do here? Okay, I'm just going to do the same thing now. I'm just going to find di here. Di is what? Xi minus A. Di is going to be Xi minus A here. Okay. Then we want exactly what? Ui. Ui is going to be Xi minus A by h. And the last column will be Fi and ui. The last column will be Fi and ui for us. Okay, so this is a very important column for us. Okay, just now we solved this, okay, di value, that is Xi minus A. So what is A? 9. What is Xi? 1, 3, 5. Okay, so okay, 1 minus 9 is going to be minus 8, same, then minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, it's 2 and what? 4. Very simple. Clear? Yeah. And now the task is there. Okay, what exactly we have to do? Okay, we have to just get the value of ui. What is ui? Xi minus A by h. Xi minus A is available. That is minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. Okay, what is h? Okay, h is very simple. Okay, h is called as what? Size of the class interval. The size of the class interval. We have to check the size of the class interval. Okay, we can see the difference of two numbers here. So the 2 is the size of the class interval. So the h is going to be what? 2 for us. Simple, very simple here. See here. What is h? I'm just going to write here. H is 2. Okay, what is h? I'm repeating one more time. H is called as the size of the class interval. We have to check the size of this class interval. So 2 is the size of this class interval now, right? Okay. So what is xi minus a? 8. Okay, minus 8. So minus 8 by 2 will be minus 4. Okay, minus 6 by 2 will be minus 3. Minus 4 by 2 will be minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 will be minus 1. 0 by 2 is going to be what? 0. 2 by 1 will be, it's 1. 4 by 2 will be, see here now. See here, okay, we got the value of ui also. Now the last column that we have to find is fi ui. So fi is here, ui is here. I'm just going to multiply these two columns. Okay, 1 into 4 will be minus 4. Okay, 2 into minus 3 going to be minus 6. 1 into minus 2 will be minus 2. It's 5. 5 into 1. Minus 1 is minus 5. 6 into 0 will be 0. 2 into 1 will be 2. Okay, 3 into 2 will be 6. See here again. We got plus 6, minus 6, cancel. Plus 2, minus 2, cancel. So what is remain here? The remaining values are, okay, minus 4 and minus 5. So minus 2 minus will be plus. Okay, and 4 plus 5 will be what? 9. So here sigma fi ui equals to minus 9. So see, we were required to find the value of sigma fi ui. So sigma fi ui is minus 9. So here we can substitute the minus 9. Yeah, and sigma fi, we know what is sigma fi. Okay, in the earlier two questions we found sigma fi, that is going to be what? 20. See, I'm just going to apply these values into the formula. What is a? A is what? 9 plus, okay, sigma fi ui is minus 9. Minus 9 by, okay, sigma fi is how much here? 20 into h. H is 2, which is size of the class interval. So it's 2 ones are, it's 2 tens are. So now we are just going to get 9. It's plus into minus minus 9 by 10. Okay, so okay, 9 minus, when you divide 9 by 10, it's going to be 0.9. So 9 minus 0.9 will be 8.1. See here, again we got the same answer, that is 8.1. Okay, we use the same question and we tried the same question with the 3 different methods. Direct method, assuming method, and the step deviation method. And what we noticed that, okay, we got the same answer with the help of the 3 methods. It does mean that, okay, the 3 methods gives us the same answer for the mean. So here our next topic is mode. I'm just going to discuss the mode in group data as well as in group data. Okay, first let's take the definition for the mode. Mode is very simple here. Mode is nothing but the value. It's a value in a data which occurs most frequent times. Okay, for example, see, okay, I'll give you a few numbers like 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 8, 2, and 1. See, okay, a few observations are given to us like 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 8, 2, 1. Okay, we know here the most frequent occurring number is what? 2. It's 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So 2 is repeating for the 3 times, whereas the other numbers are just repeating for the 2 times or for the 1 time. So our mode is 2 because it's a most frequently occurring value here. So mode is 2 here. It's very simple to find the mode in the ungroup data. Okay, if you're talking about the group data, okay, it's not very easy to find the mode by just looking at the observations. For that, we got a formula. I'm just going to discuss the formula here. The formula for the mode is very simple and easy. The formula is, I'm just going to write the formula here, just L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, very simple here. We can see mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Very simple. Here, see here, this L is called as what? Lower boundary of the class interval. Okay, and F1 is Nothing but the frequency of the model class. F0 will be the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Okay, so F0 comes before the F1, and here F2 is the frequency of the class but succeeding the model class. So F2 comes after the F1, and here H is the size of the class interval as we discussed earlier in the question 2. So okay, I'm going to take one question and I'm just going to solve the mode with the help of that question here. So here I bring the question for you all. See, okay, I just got a question here with me. The question is, the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during the year. Find the mode. It's very simple here. Okay, when data is given to us, here we have to find the mode. The data is about the ages of the patients. Like 5 to 15 years of age patients are 6, and 50 to 25 years of patients are 11, and 25 to 35 years of patients are 21, and 35 to 45 years of patients are 23, and 45 to 55 years of patients are 14, and here we go with last 55 to 65 years of patients are 5. So in this given question, we have to find the mode. Okay, we have to find the mode here. It's very simple and easy. Okay, in the main, what we did, okay, the first 2 columns were given to us and we made the few other columns. But here, no need to make any other columns. Okay, with the help of this only 2 columns, we're going to find the mode. We know the first column is called as class, interval, CI, and the next column is what? Frequency. Very simple. Okay, so before we go, I'm just going to write the formula here because I know that the formula is going to help us a lot. The formula for the mode is very simple and easy. I'm just going to write the formula here. Okay, the same formula. Mode equals to, it's going to be L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Very simple. So it means we want the value of L, F1, F0, F2 and H. Okay, I'll tell you something. Okay, if you find the value of F1, then rest of the things becomes very easy and simple for you. So first I'm just going to find the value of F1 here. To get the F1, okay, F1, F0 and F2 will be the frequencies, and we can find these frequencies in the frequency column. So here, first I'm just going to find the value of F1. To find the value of F1, we have to see which is the highest frequency in the given frequency column. Okay, we can all see the highest frequency is 23. So 23 is our F1. Okay, and now I'm just going towards the F0. Okay, I told you F0 is the frequency of the model class, but preceding the F1 here. It means, okay, F0 comes before F1. So F0 comes before F1. So this is F1. So this is going to be F0 for us. Now we are going to find the F2. F2 is the succeeding frequency. Succeeding means which comes after the F1. Okay, so after F1 we are going to get F2 here. So see, it's very simple. F1 is the highest frequency, the frequency column, and F0 will be the preceding frequency to F1, and F2 will be the succeeding frequency to F1. Now we have, okay, now we got F1, F0 and F2. Now we have to get the value of L and H. What is L? L is the lower boundary of the class interval. Okay, so exactly to F1 we are going to check the values of class interval here. So we are going to get here 35 and 45. So in 35 and 45, 35 is the lowest number. So L will be 35 here. So L is going to be 35. And what is H? I already told you, H is the class interval, size of the class interval. What is the size here? Size is going to be how much? You're right, absolutely. It's going to be 10 because 5 to 15, 50 to 25 it means the size is 10. Now I'm just going to substitute all these values into the formula to get the mode here. It's very simple. What is L? L is 35. So in place of L, I'm going to write here 35 plus F1. What is F1? It's 23. So 23 minus F0. What is F0? It's 21. So 21 divided by 2F1. 2 into what is F1? It's 23 minus F0. What is F0 here? Yeah, you are right. 21 minus what is F2? 14. Correct. Now into H. What is H? H is the size of the class interval, which is 10 here. Simple here. So it's 35 plus, okay, 23 minus 21 will be 2. So now if you just multiply here, 23 into 2 will be 46. Here minus 2 minus becomes plus here. So 21 plus 14 will be what? Yeah, you're absolutely right here. It's 4 plus 1, 5. And it's going to be 35. Okay, into what? Correct, 10. Now in the next step, it's 35 plus 2 by, okay, it's 46 minus 35. It's going to be what? 11. Okay, I'll do one thing here. It's 2 times 20. I'm just going to write here 20. It will be very simple and easy. Okay, yeah, so let's see here. It's 35 plus, okay, what we do? Okay, we'll just divide this one here. Okay, I'm just going to divide 20 by 11 here. Okay, I'm just going to use this space here because this space is available with me. I'm just going to use this space to find the value of 20 by 11. It's very simple and easy for us now, right? Okay, sure. Okay, let's see here. I'm just going to divide now. 11, I'm just going to divide by 20. So 11 ones are 11. Okay, I'm just I'm left with 9. So I'm taking point here. It's going to become 0. So it's 11 8s are, yeah, 88. It's 2 left now. I already have taken point, so I can write 0 here. So 11 ones are again 11. Okay, so after a point, 2 digits are enough here. So I'm just going to write here. What is here? It's 1.81. If you do add this both, we are just going to get here 36.81. Okay, as there was no enough space, so the space was available here, so I just did the divisions here. So we can see the mode here is what? The mode equals to 36.81. Yeah, isn't it so easy? It's very simple, very easy here. Okay, now we are going to start the median. So median is the middle value of the given data after arranging them into the ascending order. See, I'm just going to write the direct formula for the median for the group data here. Okay, I'm just going to take the formula here. Okay, the formula is very simple here. Median equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here, L is the lower boundary of the class interval. This small n is a number of the observations. CF is a cumulative frequency of the class, but preceding the median class here. F is going to be the frequency of the median class, and H is size of the class interval. I'm ready with one question here. I'm just going to solve one question. Okay, so that you can understand all very well. Okay, see, I'm just ready with one of the question here. This question is related to the median. I'm just going to read the question for you. The distribution given below gives a weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median. So this question is about the weights of the 30 students of a class. So here we have to find the median. See, the weights are given here. A number of students too. So the weights are 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 50, as you can all see here, and the number of students are also given. So what is our task? Our task is to find the median in this question. So I'm just going to find the median here. So we all know the first column is called as what? Yeah, absolutely right. Class, interval. The very next column is what? Frequency. In median, okay, our third column is cumulative frequency, which is also known as what? CF. Okay, so I'm just going to write the formula here. So it will be very easy for you all to understand. So median is L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here we want the value of L, small n, CF, F, and H. Okay, so first we'll complete this column here, this cumulative frequency column. Okay, it's very simple to complete this column here. Okay, this cumulative frequency we can obtain through the frequency. What the first number of the frequency? That is 2. I'm going to copy this number as same, which is 2. Now what? We have to add zigzagly. I'm just going to add here. It's 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. 5 plus 8. It's going to be, yeah, 13. You're right here. 13 plus 6 is going to be what? Correct? 19. So we got one more 6 here. So 19 plus 6 is going to be 25. Now 25 plus 3 is going to be, yeah, correct, 28. And 28 plus 2 is going to be what? 30. See, okay, it was mentioned in the question that, okay, there were 30 students. So we got a 30 here. And if you add these numbers, we are just going to get 30. Okay. Now, what we want? We want the L, small n, CF, and F, and H2, right? Okay. First, we're going to find the value of F. How to find F? Okay. F we can obtain from the frequency column. Obviously, okay, we have to check what is the highest frequency here. The highest frequency is what? 8, correct. So F is going to be what? 8. Yeah. Now, okay, if you just look into the CI column, there is class interval. We are just going to get 50 to 55, which is exactly to, which is on the same position of the F value. That is 50 to 55 here. Here the lowest boundary is 50. So our L value is what? 50. So we got L and we got F. What we want? We want the CF, small n, and H. Okay, in order to get the small n, Okay, small n, we have to add this frequency. Okay, if you're adding the frequency column, we're just going to get the small n. So after adding, we are going to get what? 30, because already it is mentioned in the question that okay, there are 30 students in the class. Now we want the CF value. So exactly to 8 in the frequency column, we can see there is a 13. On the third position, we are having 13. But remember, okay, CF is a frequency, cumulative frequency of the class, but preceding the median class. What is the median class? 8, third position. Preceding means which comes before this F. So on third position, we are having 13. And before 13, we are having 5. So CF is what? 5 here. So we got L, we got N, CF, F, and H. H is what? The size of the class interval. That is 5 here, because 40 to 45, 45 to 50. There is a difference of 5 numbers. It means the size is 5 of the class interval. I'm just going to substitute all these values into this formula. What is L? L is 50. Okay. Plus, what is small n? Small n is going to be what? 30. 30 by 2 minus CF. What is CF? CF is 5 divided by, what is F? Okay, F is, yeah, correct, 8 into, what is H? H is 5. Now, it's 50 plus, if you divide 30 by 2, we are going to get 15, yeah. 15 minus 5 by 8 into 5. See, I'm just going in a detail form here so that, okay, you should not miss any point and you should not have any confusion. So now, it's going to be 50 plus 15 minus 5 is going to be 10, correct? 10 by 8 into 5. It's 50 plus 10 by 8 into 5. Okay, if you just divide here, it's going to be, okay, 5 by 4 with 2. So now 50 plus, it's 5 5s are 25 by 4. So what we will do, we'll just divide this both so that okay, it will be very easy. Now I'm just going to divide this both here. Okay. Now we're just going to get here 4 6 are here, right here, it's 24, 1. So we're just going to take here 0. It's 4 2s are 8, again 2. So it's 4 5s are 20. So now we're just going to get here 50 plus, if you just divide this both, we are just going to get here 6.25. Now if you add here, it's going to be, yeah, 56.25. It means the median weight of the students, weight of these students is what? Yeah, 56.25. Yeah. See, isn't it so simple? Yeah, it's very simple and very easy. See, here we go with one more question of the median. I'll take the difference between that earlier question and this question. In this question, median is already given to us and we have to find these two missing frequencies, that is x and y. I'm just going to read the question for you. If the median of the 60 observations given below is 28.5, it means the median is 28.5. Find the value of x and y. Here median is already given to us. What is the median given to us? Median is given as 28.5. And here we have to find the value of this x and y which are missing in the frequencies column. So first we will find the cumulative frequency as we did in the earlier question. So here I'm just going to take the 5, same as 5. Now I'm just going to add, it's exactly here. 5 plus x will be, okay, 5 plus x, same. So now here 5 plus x plus 20 will be 25 plus x. Now if you add 15 here, it's going to be 40 plus x. Now if you add here y, it's going to be 40 plus x plus y. Now if you add here 5, it's going to be 45 plus x plus y. So in this question, these two values are missing and we have to find these two values. It's very simple and easy for us. See here, what is given to us? How many observations are given? The number of observations are 60 for us. Okay, and the median is 28.5. It's very simple and easy here. I'm just going to write here number of observations first here. Number of observations. Number of observations are how much? 60 observations are given to us. 60, yeah, you're right, absolutely right here. So number of observations are 60. So we know, okay, number of observation we take from here. This Okay, frequency column. If we add all these values, you're going to get the same which you got here. That is 45 plus x plus y. So in place of a number of observations, we can write here 45 plus x plus y equals to 60. Now if you transpose this 45 that side, it becomes x plus y equals to 60 minus 45. Now x plus y equals to 60 minus 45 will be what? Yeah, right, 15. So I'm just going to keep this same. Okay, so we are going to use this equation later in the question. Okay, now what? Okay, you're right. I'm just going to write the formula here first, the median formula. So it will be very easy for us to understand this question here. Median. What is median? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. You have to find the value of L, N, CF, F, and H. Very simple. Yeah, very simple here. So first I'm just going to find the value of F. What is F? Okay, check this frequency column. What is the highest frequency? It's 20. It means, okay, F is 20. So F is the third position. So in the CA column, the third position is 20 to 30. So here the lowest boundary is what? 20. So 20 is going to be L here. Now we want what? CF also. So okay, what is CF? We have to check the cumulative frequency column. So if you just directly check to the third position here, we are going to get 25 plus x. But what I told you that CF is the preceding to the frequency. So the preceding value, the number is what? 5 plus x. Yeah, it's very simple and very easy. And what is H? H is a class interval, which is going to be what? The 10, because 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So it's going to be what? 10 here, very simple and very easy. And median is already given to us. What is median given to us? 28.5. So in place of median, I'm just going to write here 28.5 equals to, what is L we got? We got L as 20. So 20 plus, what is N? N is the number of observation. See in the question, the 60 observations are given. So in place of N, I'm going to write what? 60. 60 by 2 minus, what is CF? 5 plus x. So 5 plus x. Okay, I'm going to take into the bracket. Okay, after minus, if there are more than 2 terms, we have to always take the bracket. Divided by F. What is F? F is 20. Very good. Into H. What is H? H is 10. Very simple, very easy. Now, it's 28.5 equals to 20 plus 60 by 2 minus, 5 plus x by 20 into 10 here. So we can directly cancel 10 ones. It's 10 to the 20. See what exactly I'm just going to do here. Okay, we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll send this 20 here. So we'll transpose this 20 here. So what happens after transposing there? It becomes 28.5 minus 20 equals to, what we are left with, I'll show you here. Okay, 60 by 2. It's 2 ones, it's 2 30s. So 30 minus 5 minus x by 2. 30 minus 5 minus x by 2. Yeah, you're right. So okay, if it's just 20 minus 5 minus 20 will be what? Yeah, you're right. It is 8.5 equals to 35 minus 5 will be 30 minus 5 will be 25 minus x by 2. Okay, now I'm going to send this to that side here. So it's getting divided here. When it transposes here, it becomes what? Multiply. So 8.5 into 2 equals to 25 minus x. So if you just multiply, it's going to be what? Yeah, right. 17 equals to 25 minus x. Correct. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Okay, x is in minus. It's very bad. It's always very better to keep the x value what? Positive. So I'm just going to transpose this x value that side. So it's in minus, so it becomes plus after transposing this side here. So x equals to, already we are having 25 there. If plus 17 goes there, it becomes minus 17. So x equals to 25 minus 17 is equals to how much? Yeah, you're right. It's going to be what? 8. So see here, we found the value of x. What is x? X is 8. What we're asking the question to find? We were asked to find the value of x and y. So here we are ready with the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. If you remember, we got one equation. I'm just turning the page to show you that equation. We got x plus y equals to 15. So okay, the value which we got for x, I'm going to substitute here. So we will get the value for the y. So I'm just going to write the same equation here. That is x plus y equals to 15. So what is x? X is 8. So 8 plus y equals to 15. So y equals to 15 minus 8, because this 8 transpose that's right here. So y equals to 15 minus 8 is what here, right? 7. Yeah. So see here, we are ready with the two values, that is x and y. So therefore x we found as 8 and y we found as 7. Yeah. Hope you all understood well, because it was so simple and easy. Thank you so much.